This is the aftermath of picking up the car. I got some cleaning to do. I actually had this bench totally clean. One thing I didn't show you is that the guy gave me these heads with the car. Some old school camel hump heads, and they were actually totally rebuilt, and not anytime recently. I guess like years ago, they were completely gone through and rebuilt. So they're a little bit dirty. Kind of cool to have. I'm not gonna go and swap heads, but those are kind of cool to have. Now, if I started having like valve seals or something go bad or something weird wrong with those heads, then I'd switch. But car runs good. I'm not really worried about putting down power or increasing the power, really. I just want to be a cruiser, so. But looks like a nice, good set of heads. Just more stuff I have to find a place for, but I gotta go through all this and put all this crap away. And so I can start tackling the next project, which I believe is going to be rear brakes. The brakes on that car are pretty much gone. I don't even trust it driving it another 5 miles. Like literally, you push the pedal, it goes down like that far before it hits hard. And then if you push through that, it pushes, and then the car just like jerks to the side. And then from that point, the brakes are grabbing the whole time. Like if you're at a stop, after you finish braking, after pushing them down like that, it's like you have to power through those stuck brakes to get them going until they release again. It's really bad. So the car is undrivable with those brakes. I really can't drive it like that. So I think today we're gonna start on that problem after I clean this up. Got the tools all cleaned up, and then lost motivation to do the brakes right now. It's really hot outside in the sun. It's like cool in the shade, but like in the sun, man, it sucks. So I think I'm gonna switch to cleaning this up a little bit. I did a little test spot on the seat, just a quick scrubbing. I put a piece of tape down. You can see pretty well the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping this stuff down. And then I trimmed the headliner. I just trimmed that chunk off that was totally hanging down. So I'd rather have it cut nicely than all dangling. So I think I need to fix this glove box real quick, and then I'm gonna start wiping this down. I'm going to be using this stuff. I saw it on the shelf. I've never used it. I'm gonna give it a try and see how it does. I tried using it on the seat and it didn't do so well. And I actually had this, I know it's not leather, but this actually worked way better on the seat than the interior cleaner did. So, and if that all else fails, I'll just go to the simple green. gonna show you a little before. I just started scrubbing this area and this is actually coming really clean. And I kind of got this a lot cleaner. It looked like that. So let me clean this up and show you. Oops. That spot is pretty stuck on there. I'll give it one more shot. Well, it's better. It's not gonna be perfect. Plus, it's only half a headliner, so who cares? Battery's getting low, so I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub this stuff. I just want to give you a before shot. And let me start scrubbing and come back and show you. I don't think it's gonna be too dramatic. All right, I got some cleaning done. It's not perfect, but oh, what is this? Battery's dead, so I hooked up that, and I can hear music in the back stereo. I like how it comes on in 50 cents playing. What the heck is up with that? So I guess the radio works. I'm really not sure why it's on unless it's wired directly to battery. It's not good. Huh. See, it's in the lock position. And there's one more mark where we can go to ACC. So I'm not sure why that was coming on, but anyways, I decided enough cleaning. Really need to get these back brakes started. I just painted these last night. Rear drums, brand new shoes, adjusters, springs, wheel cylinders. So I think we are good to go on everything for the rear brakes. So I'm just gonna let it charge up a bit so I can flip the car around and lift the back up, chalk the front wheels. Kind of sketchy doing it on the slope driveway, but I really just want to get these rears done because I have parts coming in for the front that'll be here this week and next week, and I don't want to try to do everything all at the same time. So I'd rather get the rears knocked out now and then be ready for the fronts. So that's what I'm doing now.
I just pulled off the right rear drum, hoping to find more, but I'm really not finding that much. It actually doesn't look bad. There's fluid, so it could be axle seals, which I really hope it's not. Really don't want to fix those, so I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna lay out my new parts and see if I can replace these. Look at this. That pad looks exactly like that pad. Those pads look like brand new. Drum feels totally fine. I really thought that if I took this apart, something would completely jump out at me as bad. That works. Literally nothing looks bad on here. I feel with how little wear there is on here. It's like brand new pads or shoes. Huh. I think I'm just gonna throw the drum on here. Maybe all the problems in the front. I'm gonna throw a drum on here. Go check the other side. This drum's not even bad. It's just ugly. And I got some fresh ones. Looks like we're gonna be in parts limbo, so I figured let's wash it and see if it looks any better. It's dirty. Let's find out. It can't get any worse. That's a lot of surface area. It's cleaner, but you really can't tell. Chrome needs to be buffed out. It really just needs to be hit with the Scotch-Brite pad, because like all this stuff will go down. Let me know what you guys think about doing that. Like just getting like one of those green scuff pads and just going over the whole car with it. What really frustrates me is like these wheel caps I know will come pretty dang clean. I just basically wiped them real quick, but they could totally be buffed out. And now that I'm missing that one because it's bent, it ticks me off. So brakes will be here end of the week for the front. And that'll be our next major project on this, to get it driving. And then one thing I want to do is replace all these seals up here and down here, so that come winter time it won't be leaking so much. I was hosing it down and it was getting some water inside, so I'm not gonna do like full restoration on those windows, but I just want to get some new seals on there. So yeah, I'll be back, whatever. It'll look good eventually once we get rid of that beauty right there.